on YouTube. Thank you for watching my video. You guys made it to the end. So that was my dyno day today with the car, and it was on a DynoJet dyno. All 3 pulls were done in 5th gear because that was the 1-to-1 ratio. I do have 370 gears, so apparently that would change it a little bit, but that would be the closest to the 1-to-1, so that's what we went with. Mods include cold air intake, 93 octane tune by Overkill, Will at Overkill Motorsports, MPP exhaust, secondary cat delete, and a 370 gear ratio differential from a Chevy SS sedan. So here are the results, and on the car, this is the chart. We made 259 horsepower and 243 foot-pounds of torque. So I wanted to go over this with y'all. It pulled way too much timing. As y'all can see, this one, it's in black and white. So this line is the horsepower curve. This is the dyno curve. Torque curve actually did really well. It actually went up pretty good here. I'm actually not mad about the torque. Really mad about the horsepower. I was expecting a lot more because what I achieved horsepower wise is almost stock numbers. So if you go over here and look, y'all see this dip both in the horsepower and the torque numbers. That is where it retarded timing, and the tuner could have tuned that for me. However, I paid $500 from Will at Overkill to get it properly tuned, but it looks like we're gonna need a lot of data, where he's gonna need to send me a refresh tune to fix that, because 259 wheel with a tune and an intake and basically catless, I should be making maybe around somewhere like 275 at least is what I was expecting. So and my air fuel ratio was a little lean. It should have been a little bit richer. Maxed out at, in the beginning, it was at 15, so, but then it leaned out a lot. Should have stayed a little bit higher according to my tuner. I mean, not the tuner, the guy that I got the dyno done at. So it was on a DynoJet, as y'all can see. So thank you guys so much for watching. I wanted to share my experience with y'all, so I really hope I can get it a refresh tune by Will, so everything can get fixed, and then we're gonna get back on the dyno and hopefully make more power, because I want more power. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see y'all